I know one thing, but the site that I am going to explain to you today, I have withdrawn from it 25 times. And there are many withdrawal methods and many profit methods, and it is suitable for beginners and also suitable for professionals. You can do your work on the site in one day and you can get $1, and you can also do your work on the site in one day. You get $5, $6, $7, and $10. You are the one who will determine how. The site has around 7 or 6 ways to earn, suitable for beginners and advanced users. For professionals, if you are a beginner, by working on the site, you will remain a professional and can earn $10, $15, and $20 a day. The site also, guys, what we are going to explain today. This site has been in operation for 5 years and more than 2,400,000 people are working on it. You can imagine the period. I mean, I don't need to tell you that the site has been on it for 5 years. This site has been in operation for more than 5 years. Also, this is the site that we will talk about today, and these are the methods. What you can earn through the site, of course, as you can see that the site is in the Russian language. The first step you must do is that you will come to the sign in that language and choose the English language. You also have the Arabic language, but I always like to work on the English language because the Arabic language will have its translations literal. So it won't be clear. I will work with you on the English language. Very excellent, guys. Indeed, my website is now in the English language. These are the ways through which we can earn by watching YouTube videos, website SEO, website assignments and silences, and here you also have watching advertisements. And here you have something called letters, and you have here, if you have a website, we will explain everything in detail. This is also something special about advertisements. If you would like to make an advertisement on the website, we will explain all of this in detail. In the last 24 hours, 1,130 people are still new to the website. I will also show you my withdrawal proofs and the withdrawal proofs of people who work on the website. There are a lot of people working on the site. The important thing is, okay, how will I register on the site? Guys, Hindus like that on Synup say to you here, write your username. I will start creating a new account with you on the site. Very excellent, guys. I am here. I will write the username. Here I will write the email, and here is also the password. Of course, you must create a strong password. After providing the details, click on registration. It's helpful that you receive this message explaining the account blocking. Okay, why? Because you made more than the account I have. The main account, and I hope they have not closed my primary account so you can block this account. Then you are like this. It is not useful if you create more than one account. Just one account. I will close it like this and initially log into the site like this. After registering, you will receive an email message asking you to activate the email. You have to click on the link to activate your account. I will close it like this and go to my account. Okay guys, very, very excellent. I just logged into my account and we said the reason for not creating the second account. It says to me, no, you made more than one account. So I blocked the new account. Of course, I pay the balance. Mine is 32 rubles, which is approximately equivalent to $1/2. $1/2 is 40 to 50 rubles. Okay guys, you are 100 rubles for $1. Of course, I will explain everything to you and I will tell you how you can, as I told you, so earn the $1, which is 100 rubles per day, and you earn $10. Which is 1,000 rubles per day. And I will tell you all the withdrawal methods, and they will be suitable for everyone, God willing. In principle, this is the first thing you must do before you start working on the site. You must go to your personal photo and click on the word setting. Okay, why? Guys, I click on the word setting. As you can see, the word setting contains your email and also your phone number. What is required of you is that you confirm the email and confirm the phone number. So you write your phone number here and it starts to come to you with a code on the phone number, and confirm your phone number in order to start. Work on the site, of course. From here you specify the gender, male or female, and here you write your date of birth. These are not very important, but there is no problem with that. You also do something good with them, and after that you do not finish, you trample on saving. Come on guys, for ways to profit from the site and learn together how you can earn from this site and focus with me on every step, because as I told you, I will teach you how to earn up to $10 a day. First, you have the word iron money here. We will close all of this. This is it, guys. These are the methods or all your work on this site. Iron money in order to earn from the site advertiser. If you want to make an advertisement on the River System website, which is the personal referral system, the personal area is private to you, which is also from the personal account, including the profile, settings, statistics, and application history for withdrawals. Okay, come first. When you say earn money, of course I have it here. 32 quarters, you have something called task, surfing, letter, test, YouTube, and V. So leave us except the first. We start like this in order, we enter like this on the word task or tasks, which are the tasks, guys, and what I thanks to them. And I have a task here. Guys, especially for YouTube, what is this task that costs 1 ruble? I will never worry about it like that. Guys, and see what this task is talking about. Very, very excellent. Guys, what is the task? Guys, the first one tells you to clear your browser or even work through the incognito browser. These are the 3 of these that must be run in VPN. The second one does not need to run in VPN. It is other countries don't need. Go to the mobile version on YouTube. Tell me to watch this video and then take this video. This is the link to this video. By the way, I can do the task from the computer. I selected the video link like this and clicked on the word go like this. I opened the mobile version. I opened the computer from the mobile. Okay, what should I do? Start searching for one of these words, which is this word or this word or this word. So I start taking this first word. For example, like this, go to YouTube, which I opened. I'll open it from my mobile phone and I search and type the search here. Guys, call me and click on enter. It brought me several search results and go to the Kero Time channel. What is the Kero Time channel? Do you have a picture? Can you open the picture? So in order to know the channel, guys, which channel he wants me to go to, start with this. Open the page and choose the channel that is like this. This is the channel that he wants me to go to. He tells me what? Watch 3 to 4 videos, each video for a minute. Watch 3 to 4 videos, each video for a minute. Click on the advertisement on the video and wait for the advertisement page to complete and wait for it to close. Wait for a minute. Do not close it. Rate the video with a like or a dislike, whatever. Write a comment and leave the video, which means leave the channel. Then exit it by clicking on another video on YouTube, meaning you. What exactly are you going to do in this task? Put the channel in front of you. Where is it? 3. No, you will start watching these videos or these live broadcasts. Each live broadcast lasts for 1 minute, on average 1 minute. Okay. After that, you will click on the advertisement or the first advertisement that will appear to you in the first video, whether the live broadcast or video. You will click on the advertisement and wait on the advertisement page for a minute. Turn in front of you. There are videos. Add one, find the third video and watch it. If not, open the first video on your phone and start watching. Short video clip with a normal YouTube ad. However, I don't see the ad because I have ad blocking enabled. Watch video, click ad. Will open with you. The advertiser will sit there for a minute, after which you will close the advertiser's page and watch the other 2 videos that he is telling you about. After that, you will exit the channel by stepping on another video link, but for example, this video, and that's it. Thank you. You finished the task. How can I prove I completed it for you? The link has 3 or 4 videos along with a link to your advertisement page. What do you mean? Your transitions, guys. What is the transition? You entered the advertiser's page. You entered this page of contact. For example, you entered this page of home. You entered the Apatrick page. The advertiser's page and what is shown. There are videos that prove that you actually did the steps for this mission. Okay, you did all of this, you will complete the mission. How do you click get started? It tells you that there is 1 hour to complete this mission. Click get started to open the YouTube videos. I will start doing the missions. Please provide the links for the requested videos and advertisement page. Thank you. What it is, and in order to take a screenshot of your browser, your browsing history or your viewing history on YouTube, you will trample it. On check file, you start selecting the screenshot that you took for your browsing history. After that, you click on confirm here to send your task. You have an hour to complete the task.